Take 3, action.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk to you
A few moments later.
with this with software. No.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the Stream Deck. I don't know if any of you is familiar with this. So as you can see on the Elgato website, this is the Stream Deck, as I showed you before. It's a controller that is you can customize every of these button. There's different solution. There's the Stream Deck XL, the Stream Deck, and the Stream Deck Mini. This is just 6 buttons. I don't think they is quite useful. The big one that I have is the 15, so it's 5 buttons for 3 line. And the big one, 32 LCD, so 32 buttons. And as you can see, it's really nice. So you can customize as you want with all the software that you want. Is for Windows and for Mac. I use mainly for 𝐦𝐤𝐤 and Spotify, and I use this for all the products that I use when I work in events. So something like analog way to switch from one laptop to another laptop, or in the same time I can do that and I can play a song that is in 𝐦𝐤𝐤, because I can combine 2 different actions in just one button. I'm gonna show you all of these in all the next videos. So today I want to be more concentrated for the setup, the installing of the software, the Stream Deck, and the install of Companion. Before that we go to the installer, I want to show you what is Companion. So Companion is created from BitFocus. So this guy have created this software that works with the Stream Deck, and as you can see here, these are all the model of the equipment that you can use. 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐧𝐭, analog way, 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐷, and there's a long list. Kramer, there's a long list of all the machine that you can use it. 𝐦𝐤𝐤, as we can say, there's 2 different versions, but there's one with the feedback and the one without feedback. But I'm going to show you everything. Remote show control is another amazing software for PowerPoint. But I don't know. There's also something for DLive. For the desk, so if any of you use the DLive from 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐤, they can use the Stream Deck. There's OBS as well on the Companion, so literally you can do anything. So let's jump on the installing of the software. I'm just gonna install Elgato. So what we're gonna do, Stream Deck, and we go software. There's also a mobile version, pretty new, but you need to pay a subscribe, so it's like £3 a month or £3-4 a month, or you can do the annual one that's £32. It's still cheap because the machine cost, let's see on the website, I think it's £139, but you can buy on Amazon, but you can find the link in the description. There is a couple of links that you can get a good discount. Let's go for the install of the software. So I delete everything, so I'm gonna start from 0. So that's the software, that's the download. So let's do the install. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna plug in my Stream Deck. So guys, this is the software, as you can see, pretty easy. In here you have got all the software that you can install with the Stream Deck and on the button. If you go on more action in here, you can have all the other software that is available on the software. I've got a couple of them installed because that's what I normally use, but there's Widecast, there is Companion, as I said before, that you can install it. And I don't know, analog clock if you want to do it. Actually, I'm going to install this because it's something I'm going to show you. So let's say that we need to use these. I'm going to do something easy, but let's say that we're going to want to use these for open I don't know, a software, right? So in here, I go in here, drop this in here, and I'm gonna say, okay, I want to open a software. It will allow me to select which software I want to choose. I go in my application. So let's say that I want to open 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿ab. I'm going to do here, I'm going to do OK. And what is happening, you see here there is an icon. So I'm going to delete this. And what I'm going to do, if I press in here, 𝐦𝐤𝐿ab, boom, and it will open the software. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna show you more in depth what you can do with these with the Stream Deck. I want to just show you a picture how it looks now with the audio controller and everything. This is just a quick image in here. So on the next video, I'm gonna show you how you can set up your desk with different buttons. So quick calling for, I don't know, Spotify, for 𝐦𝐤𝐿ab, or for other software you want to open, like a Stream Deck on YouTube or whatever it is. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how I use these with two machines, like using one for 𝐦𝐤𝐿ab and another one just for Spotify, or one for my presentation and another one just for 𝐦𝐤𝐿ab. So that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoy. If you like, please thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.